Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unhide columns in Excel. Unhiding columns in Excel is essential to access hidden data, ensures complete data visibility, and maintain accurate analysis and reporting. So let's start the video. First, open up Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You can usually tell columns are hidden if you see a break in the lettering at the top. Like if it jumps from column C to column F, that means that columns D and E are hidden. To unhide columns, simply hover your mouse between the hidden columns heading, and when the mouse pointer turns into a split two-headed arrow, double-click on it. Each double-click will unhide one column. As you can see, the columns D and E are visible again. So if I undo this, now if you want to unhide all hidden columns in Excel sheet, then click on the small triangle at the top left corner of your sheet to select the entire worksheet. So click on this small triangle. Entire worksheet is selected. Now right click on the selected columns and select Unhide from the menu. This will unhide every hidden column in your worksheet. So that's how to unhide columns in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.